Hey guys, so today I'm just going to show you a sneak peek on my Ford pop-up cook shop. So these are some of the meals we had: cow food with rice and peas, rye plantain, vegetables, and creamy mashed potato. We also had on the menu spicy honey barbecue pork chop with lemongrass glaze, creamy mashed potato, rice and peas, vegetables, and fried plantain. I also prepared pumpkin peanut punch because a lot of people ordered the pumpkin peanut punch. And I prepare my peas from overnight. I also prepared the sweet potato pudding, and if a sweet potato pudding no look like this, I don't want it. Right, and this is how it came out. I also prepared the creamy mashed potato. I prepared the creamy mashed potato from Friday night. This was about 1 o'clock. I was making the creamy mashed potato, right? And I guys, let me tell you a story. I fell asleep with the sweet potato pudding in the oven. I was super tired, and I literally jumped out of my sleep and remember that the sweet potato pudding was in the oven. Thank God it didn't get burned. Guys, I was super tired. I was super exhausted, but what? The show must go on. And then Saturday morning, I prepared the spicy honey barbecue pork chops with lemongrass glaze. This is how it is looking, guys. I think that was the first 30 minutes, right? So that was one of the pans with the pork chop. So I was just distributing the sauce or the juice from the pork chops, right? And this was the sauce, the spicy honey barbecue sauce for the pork chops. I ensured that I distributed all over the pork chops. So we have a lot of sauce or a lot of gravy to put in the plates. And here we have our nice and golden ripe sweet plantain. And these are the vegetables for the meals. This is how the pork chop is looking. And afterwards, this is our sweet potato pudding that everybody loves. And we also had some red pea soup with cow skin and the chicken foot. There we have our cow foot, guys. The cow foot that one simmer down. And moving right along, I also prepared some creamy curry chicken Alfredo pasta, and that's the pasta sauce. And guys, after everything, this is the final result of the meals. I wanted to film the entire process, but I could not do that because I was super busy in the kitchen. I had a lot of orders to get done and I had meals to prepare and so on. So I could not film everything, but this is what I got, and I think this was sufficient footage so that I could share with you guys the meals and the whole entire process. Just a sneak peek and a couple seconds of what went down last week, Saturday. Again, I want to say thank you guys for the support. If you didn't get to support, I'll see you Saturday, October 7th. You can send in your orders. We close off from Thursday evening, so I stopped taking orders the Thursday before the pop-up cook shop because everything is done to order. So I like to ensure that you have a fresh meal, right? So everything is done on the day. So we start cooking in the morning, around about 5 o'clock. Guys, I just want to say thank you again and see you guys on the next pop-up cook shop. Bye.
Number drop it. So they could food turn up it, turn up it, turn up it, turn up till it a burn up. No, so they just admire if you enjoy the pork, you know, man. The food not done. I feel so wait. How way meat gone? I feel like look on the side if nobody scrap out piece out of it. No, sir. Food turn up, man. Me I tell you, turn up. Big chef, family, big chef in the family. You need a big restaurant, man. But you have to do the big chef. You can't have no chef in there. No chef even there, the head chef.